navigating in Kronos. Current pay period displays the time period. Click drop-down arrow to select another time period. Calendar allows you to select a range of dates, a specific date, or up to 15 months of history. Approve Timecard allows you to approve that time period's timecard or remove your approval. Print Timecard allows you to print your timecard for the time period selected. Refresh works as an undo button if you have not already saved an edit. It also updates any changes made in the timecard after you save any edits. Calculate Totals allows you to calculate a time entry before saving it to see if the total is correct. Save button saves any changes you made in your timecard. Plus symbol as a blank row for that same date to add additional time. Gray short line at bottom center of timecard expands the timecard. Accruals provides your available hours for paid time off. Here's a tip. Click on the gray column line between the top blue navigation bar and drag right or left to resize the column.